Hi everybody, I'm doing a very simple, fast meal with your summer vegetables. Let me flip you around. So I have yellow squash and green squash. So yellow squash, and then green is always zucchini. And then I have some red peppers. I didn't grow any, and they're too expensive to buy. So I froze some red peppers from last year. So that's frying in olive oil, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and then in here I got the water with salt started, and I'm going to try, because I had a coupon, the homemade fettuccine, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with it. This is really fast, so you can do this when you get home from a long day. So now noodles are ready, and then I'm just going to put some Italian salad dressing on it. It's got all the seasonings in it, right? So I just buy a big thing of wishbone, and then Russ just cut some bread, and dinner is done. I mean, let's see, what time is it? 15 minutes? So as your garden's produce starts becoming ripe and ready to eat, and you need something quick, something like this is so simple. Like I could put Parmesan cheese on this, I could sprinkle it with, you can even put croutons in this, you can put bacon on it, you can do tons of other vegetables. This is an always easy go-to. All right, thanks for joining me. See you in the next video.